Working with Care Launch has delivered clear results for Ashberry Healthcare. Since launching the new website and content strategy, organic visitors have increased by 150% and inquiries are up 47%. We've welcomed 27 new private pay residents, generating 1.14 million in confirmed revenue. These outcomes are the direct result of a complete overhaul of our digital presence. Before this project, our digital marketing was holding us back. Analytics were unreliable. We couldn't see what was working. Content lacked strategy and families weren't finding the answers they needed. With multiple new homes opening, we risked falling behind competitors and missing out on private pay opportunities. We needed a solution that would transform both our visibility and our credibility. What are you laughing at? Okay. We needed a solution that would transform both visibility and our credibility.
We started with a complete SEO strategy built around how families search for care. We identified 3 core keyword pillars: care type plus location, care home plus location, and care type alone. Then we added a 4th pillar: topical authority. This allowed us to capture searches at every stage of the care seeker's customer journey, answering the questions families ask early in their journey. Working closely with Ashberry Healthcare, we prioritise content creation based on both keyword data and real conversations with families. Because Ashberry's domain rating was low, we first focused on building authority with high-value, long-tail content before targeting competitive decision stage terms. We rewrote service pages to match search intent, optimized metadata and internal linking, and overhauled structured data, adding medical business schema to individual homepages, which drove a 28% increase in traffic to these pages alone. For the help and advice blog, we used a topic cluster strategy focused on questions private paying families ask, from funding to care decisions. Each article is written audience first, search second, to provide real value during an incredibly stressful time. Over the last 6 months, this blog section has generated over 6,500 organic clicks, a 236% increase. We know from our own data that 2/3 of care home inquiries come from the local area. We optimized every Google business profile using our own best practices, added UTM tags for precise tracking, and built local directory citations for every home. This work led to a 59% increase in Google business profile visibility, driving significantly more local discovery and inquiries.
This partnership represented a significant increase in our marketing investment, so it was essential that we could see exactly what impact it was having. Care Launch implemented GA4 and HubSpot, giving us complete visibility. From the moment a family searched for advice, right through to when they made an inquiry and moved in. For the first time, we understood which channels and keywords were driving occupancy. In August 2024, we ranked on page 1 for 122 keywords. Today, we rank for 300. And we know which of these terms are helping maximise occupancy.
In care, marketing can't just be about buildings or facilities. It has to be people first. Families choose care homes based on trust, and trust comes from seeing the people who will care for their loved ones. We knew that improving inquiry rates meant showing the heart behind Ashberry's homes, not just optimizing pages. That's why video became a central part of our strategy. We produced a personalized video series for every home, welcome films, manager interviews, and residents or family testimonials. These weren't staged or corporate. They were real stories filmed in real moments that showed the warmth and dedication of Ashberry's teams.
The scale of this work was huge. Filming across 8 of our homes while managing day-to-day care operations wasn't easy. Care Launch handled everything from planning to production with minimal disruption to our staff. The videos now sit on our website, on Google profiles and across social media, where they've been watched over 5,000 times with more than 60 hours of engagement. These videos have done more than boost inquiries, they've changed how families see us. They can meet our managers before they visit, hear directly from residents and feel reassured before they even walk through the door.
This campaign wasn't just about driving traffic. It was about helping families make confident decisions during an emotional time and helping a care provider show the heart behind what they do.
Working with Care Launch has changed how people see us. They've given us a voice online that reflects who we are, and that's made all the difference.
This campaign stands out because it delivered exceptional growth whilst redefining what search can achieve in care. It's proof that when SEO is combined with insight, creativity, and sector expertise, it can transform both business outcomes and public perception.